Hey guys, OnePlus is starting rolling out Android 14 to its latest devices, the OnePlus 11 in middle November, and last week OnePlus 10 Pro also get a Android 14, and today two more OnePlus devices are being blessed to the new software. We are talking about OnePlus 10T and OnePlus 11R, both of which are now received the update to the Android 14 in India. As always, it might be take a late a few days. You need all the unit in the India will be get a update notification. The OnePlus 10T is getting a building number 14.0.0.202 and a 802 MB download, and OnePlus 11R building number is 14.0.0.200 and it's have a 6 GB download file. Make sure you have enough space before to install this software. And today OnePlus 12 are launched in China, and watch this video to learn more about OnePlus 12. So that's pretty much for today's video, and if you found this video informative, make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching and I will be catch you the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.